Emma enjoyed the sun, unaware of the stone ahead. A sudden jolt, and the ground rushed up to meet her.
Ouch! My arm hurts!
At the clinic, the doctor assessed the damage to her arm. Suddenly, her backpack pulsed with a strange, rhythmic light.
Magic mission. A bone needs your help.
Let's go!
A magical vortex engulfed them, whisking them into the unknown. They landed inside Emma's arm, in the glowing Bone City.
Everything is enormous!
They navigated the neural pathways, heading deep into the core.
Welcome, brave heroes!
A massive fracture threatened the very foundation of the city.
We have an emergency!
The bone is cracked!
We need more calcium bricks.
We need more calcium bricks.
They found the vital calcium train blocked by heavy debris.
Let's clear the tracks. Push together.
The tracks were clear. The mission was back on.
Great teamwork.
Heads up!
The
Send
bricks
it
arrived
down.
just in time to save the city.
接住! Perfect fit.
The calcium fused instantly, repairing the fracture for good.
This cast protects your arm.
The healing shield is working.
Weeks passed as the internal shield protected Emma's recovery.
My arm feels great. I did it.
Eat foods rich in calcium.
Play safely every day. Every healthy choice helps your body grow.